In 1991, Koenigsegg wanted to do the impossible. They didn't want to build road cars, they wanted to join Formula One. Everyone knows Koenigsegg for the world records, but in the beginning, Christian von Koenigsegg wanted a monster, a Formula One monster that roared at 12,000 RPM. He bought the blueprints for a flat 12 engine from the legendary Carlo Chidi, the man who built championship-winning Ferraris. But tragedy struck. The legendary Carlo Chidi died, his company went bankrupt, and a devastating factory fire turned the hand-drawn blueprints into smoke. The Formula One dream was buried in a graveyard of carbon fiber and ash. Christian was left with a chassis, but no heart and no hope. He didn't stop. He pivoted to Le Mans and built the CCGT. It was a 600-horsepower masterpiece with a specialized, naturally aspirated V8. It weighed under 1,000 kilograms, giving it a better power-to-weight ratio than the legendary McLaren F1. It was perfect. But 2 months after its first test, the racing authorities changed the rules. Overnight, they banned carbon fiber monocoques and demanded 350 production cars a year for a small team hand-building cars in an old Air Force hangar. This was an economic death sentence. The CCGT was banned before it ever saw a green light. The CCGT died so the Agera RS could live. Christian took his outlawed racing secrets and hid them in a road car. This horizontal shock solves a lethal physics problem. It physically stops the car from squatting and flipping over when you hit 270 miles per hour. It is the difference between a world record and a high-speed disaster. 277 miles per hour isn't just speed. It's the ghost of a racing dream that refused to die. I'm Kinetic Theory, and we deconstruct the impossible. If you love engineering, computer science, and the physics behind cars and fighter jets, hit that subscribe button to join the lab. And if you're interested in more crazy car stories, machines so dangerous they were called the Widowmaker, check out my investigation into the Porsche 917. I'll see you in the next one.